In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can update Facebook Lite on Android. Okay, so this process is very straightforward and simple, so let's just get straight into it. The first thing you want to do is locate the Play Store. So for me, it's right over there. I'll tap on the Play Store. Then you want to make sure that you're on the apps section right over there. So tap on apps, and then in the top search bar, you want to type Facebook Lite, Lite, and then tap on search. The Facebook Lite app will pop up. You can tap on it. Now it says uninstall and open. Now when there's an update available for Facebook Lite, it's going to say update there instead of open. Then all you need to do is tap on the update button once, and then it will start begin downloading the update for Facebook Lite. Once the update has finished, it will then install the update automatically. Then you can either tap on open here or go to the apps from within your apps on your phone on the home page, and then open up Facebook Lite and then begin using the latest update. So there's not much to this. You just go to the Play Store and then update the app like that. So that's pretty much it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.